Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Victoria Ayo. I am a real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Today I will be touring this model home here built by Eastwood Homes right in Waxhaw, North Carolina. So this model behind me here built by Easton is called the Charleston. Base price is about that $439,000 and the square footage is about 3418. So this home is a 5-bedroom home, 2 stories, 3 baths, 3.5 bath, and it has a 2-car garage with the option of a side load. So why don't you come along with me? Let's check out this home together. All right, welcome to this beautiful home. So immediately we walk in, we are greeted by this beautiful formal dining area here. So I like Eastwood because Eastwood does come with the tray ceilings and the tray accents all throughout the home here. And then this formal dining room, you do have the choice of emulating kind of what you see here as far as the fixtures and the little accents all over. So that's pretty neat and that's pretty cool to me. And obviously you can see from this setting here, easily an 8-seater table. So how awesome is that? And we are going to go over here. So this room is actually an optional, well, it can be an optional room or it's just an office area, right? And so you can see exactly, as I mentioned, this has been converted into an office space and it's a very spacious office. And I like how it's positioned where there is enough light that is able to penetrate the room. Okay, and then we are going to, let's actually go back here through the formal dining area because I want us to look at this butler's pantry here. So I like this because, so this is just a connector between the formal dining and the kitchen area. And you're able to kind of like, you know, play around with this space. There is ample storage here. You have this backsplash, your choice of backsplash, and also the granite countertops here, which is the same thing you kind of see as we transition into the kitchen. So as I mentioned, this does come with hardwood floors throughout the home. You have that option. If you want to just do away with carpet completely, you can do that with Eastwood. And I like this wine cooler. I didn't point that out, but yeah, I love that built-in wine cooler. We transition into a kind of a less formal dining area. I wouldn't attempt to fit 8 as we saw in the formal dining, but 6 here is pretty comfortable and it's pretty nice. As I mentioned, you can emulate the light fixtures as well in your home if you so desired. And guys, I like this kitchen island. It's very unique style. It's a very unique build in that it doesn't take up much of the kitchen space, right? You've probably seen a lot of my other videos where some of the islands, it feels like it's occupying most of the kitchen, but I like how this one is central, but yet it's very stylish in its own way. And as you can see here, as I mentioned, the granite countertops here, your choice of backsplash, your choice of cabinet colors and trim, and also pay attention to this style of sink. This is becoming very popular in this area. You've probably seen several videos already where I have this. I've shown a couple of builders giving you the option to do this. And so we transition over here. This is a gas range cooker. And I do like this. So all this is just a water pump. So you don't have to, in case you're cooking, right? You don't have to go to the sink, fetch water. You can easily just turn this tap on right here. And of course, you have your built-in oven and your built-in microwave. Currently, there's no door here, but the door, this pantry would be enclosed with a door. So you have that option here. It's a very spacious pantry, in my opinion. And then we're going to transition right over here. Actually, let's go right over here to the mudroom area. So this is the mudroom area, and I like how it's set up here in case you had a pet. So you can see this is perfect place for a pet, or you can just use it as storage. And this would lead you out to the 2-car garage, but we're not going to go in there because as this is an office, as this is a model home, it's been converted for office spaces. And then we're transitioning here to the living room area here. It's very, very open. And I love the centralized mantle fireplace there. So that's pretty awesome to me. And yeah, so why don't we go ahead and we check out there is a first bedroom here, down here. So let's check that out together. Okay, and then we walk in here. As I mentioned, you notice there's absolutely no carpet except for the accent rugs here. Completely hardwood floors. 2 huge windows. And guys, check out these lights. Let's get into these lights. Another great feature that you could add on as well and customize if you so desired. And then we're going to get into this closet space here. It's a very nice sized closet. It actually goes much deeper than you would think, then it meets the eye. So it's more than enough space on either side here for whoever wanted to stay in this room. All right, and then there's a hallway bathroom that we are going to check out now. And within this hallway bathroom, it's pretty standard. You have your granite countertop sink. It is a 1 sink, it's just a single sink. If you wanted the choice of a bathtub, there is that option, I should say. Okay, so why don't we head on upstairs and check out the rest of the home. Before we go upstairs, let's actually get into these stairs. As I mentioned, right, another thing I love about Eastwood, no carpet on the stairs. And I know some of you that's gonna make you really happy, but that's a pet peeve of mine, right? You have a home that is completely hardwood, carpet on the stairs, but this is perfect. So let's go upstairs and check it out together. We are now upstairs now, and I know I mentioned downstairs that this was completely hardwood, but please keep in mind that this is a model home, and so therefore the carpet that you see here is solely for you to see that there are options available if you wanted carpet here. So let's go check out this first bedroom here. So this first bedroom, as you can see, it's just set up as an art studio, and I like the fact that it's an ensuite. It has its own ensuite bath, full bath here. So this is perfect, right? If you have a guest or something, they have that ability to just kind of have their own privacy all with this room. So this bathroom here, it is a single sink bath, and it kind of transitions out to the hallway. The shower shown here is a walk-in shower, but yes, as I mentioned downstairs, there is the choice of a bathtub if you so desired it. Once again, very, very decent sized closet here. It's more of an L, but it's a very decent sized closet. So let's transition out here. There is a room right across here. And so let's check this one out. So this room has been set up to be more of, you know, a baseball player's room. It's pretty cute, but you get the option here. So this room actually shares a Jack and Jill bathroom with the other room. So we'll check out that bathroom in a second, but the same amount of storage space here. I like that this one does have a window where you can kind of look out as well. And this is a very, very nice size room in my opinion. This is a full-size bed, but I think you could get away with a queen in here. And we are going through here, the Jack and Jill bathroom. I like that it has its own private sink here, and I like the choice of tile here in this bathroom. So you have your own private sink here. You have a linen closet, a shared linen space here, and you have the bathtub shower and toilet option here. And of course, through here, your own private sink on this other side, and another bedroom here set up for more of a, it looks like a makeup lover, right? A makeup lover's area. And so as I mentioned over there, this is a full-size bed, but you can get away with the queen in here as well. And this is a very nice sized closet. We have to show the closet. So this closet is actually very, very similar to the one we saw in the other room, except this one does not have a window. All right, so let's check out what we have next here. So next we have this private living space area. I love the ambiance here of the double doors because it doesn't just make it feel like a loft, right? This is a whole second living space area. So this is very cool. Kudos to you, Eastwood Homes, on this. And on either side, you have closet space. So you could essentially turn this into another bedroom if you chose to do so, because you do have the storage spaces, I mean the closet spaces as well. But in my opinion, I think I would leave this as is, because it is nice to have a second living space area, an intimate space. You can even use this as a playroom if you have smaller children. So there's one more room to check out up here, which is the owner's suite. But before we check out the owner's suite, I'm going to take you to check out the laundry room here. So this laundry room is humongous. I like that, you know, you have this countertop space here where you can, you know, just fold your clothes, and you can also just utilize the space here. And I like the cabinets all throughout here as well. And then of course, last but not least, our favorite, which is the owner suite itself. The owner suite itself. Okay, so very, very big owner suite. This is a king size bed, and you can see even with the king size bed how spacious it is here. Remember I said you have the option of emulating the light fixtures. So the light, as you can see here, you can emulate it as well for your own home. And then we transition here into this master's or the owner suite bath, and right away I like that the sinks are kind of divided. So you have one private sink here on this side, and you have another here. So that's pretty awesome. So you don't have to fight with your spouse or your partner, you know, for whose sink is what. So I love it, and you can kind of take care of your own space as you please. And then you have your private toilet here. I think the door has just been taken off the hinges for right now because this is a model home, but you would definitely have a private door there. And then you have a walk-in shower. Lovely choice there. This room has 2 closets. So this is one of the closets here. And this has been, you know, it's set up to be a man's closet. And then we're gonna go through the bedroom to the other side to see the other closet. So come along, let's check it out. Over here to our right is the other closet I mentioned. And this closet is huge. If this was my house, I would definitely take this closet and let my spouse have the other one because it's smaller. So, because I think we women tend to have a lot more stuff, although I could be wrong, I stand corrected. But yeah, so I would definitely choose this closet over the other one. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, what did you think about this home? Do you like it? Do you know anyone who would be interested in this community? Waxhaw, North Carolina is one of the fastest growing cities in North Carolina and in the US. And I would love for you to become a part of the community here. So if you have any questions, or if you have any comments about anything, please feel free to drop them below in the comment section for me. I will most definitely get to your comments. And as always, more information can be found about this home in the description bar below. If you want to reach out to me, please, you can find me on my social medias at Victoria BAO Realtor, or you can send me a personal email at victoriabao@costello.rei. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family, so go ahead and hit that like button and also smash that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.